Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to enable read receipts on Google Messages. First, launch the Google Messages application on your device. Tap directly on your profile picture or initials icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu overlay that appears, tap directly on the option labeled Messages Settings. At the very top of the settings list, tap on the configuration row explicitly labeled RCS Chats. Inside the RCS Options dashboard, locate the configuration toggle explicitly labeled Send Read Receipts. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Send Read Receipts to turn it completely on. The system framework will instantly apply the rule, letting your contacts see exactly when you have read their text messages. Keep in mind that for this feature to work properly, the person you are texting must also have RCS Chats activated on their device configuration. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.